So let's take a look at what we are going to be expecting for the day on our GBP JPY. So make sure you subscribe if you have not yet done that, so that once we drop new updates, you will not miss out on that update. You all know that previously we predicted that GBP JPY will continue to give us that bullish move till it is able to take out this high, right? And market is that it has not yet taken out this high, right? It is still giving us that bullish move and it is about to take out that high. So if you are not yet in a buy on your GBP JPY, now is the best time and now is the best opportunity for you to go ahead and hop in for the buy on your GBP JPY. Why we were anticipating that bullish move was that if you take a look at this trend right here on our GBP JPY, you can clearly see that GBP JPY we are in an uptrend move, right? GBP JPY is giving us a strong bullish move to the upside. Now take a look at this movement here. This is our first high that GBP JPY gave. Then here comes the higher low. Market was able to push up again to form a new higher high, and here comes the higher low. Market eventually push up again, formed a new higher high, and here comes the higher low. Markets push up one more time to form a new higher high, right? And here comes the higher low. Now that we've got to this higher low, our next movement on GBP JPY will be a new higher high. So guys, we should be expecting for a bullish move on GBP JPY that should push up and take out this previous high. So guys, one movement to the upside is what we should be expecting on our GBP JPY. So if you are a day trader or a swing trader or also a position trader, go in for a buy on your GBP JPY. So hopefully markets will actually push up and take out this high. So guys, a bullish move is what we will be expecting next on GBP JPY.